All right, good morning, guys. Welcome to Monday, May 4th. I am going to choose a good morning thumbs up. So, good morning. Today, the greeting I choose is thumbs up. So, everybody give me a big thumbs up. Today, I'm feeling a little bit sleepy. It's Monday. So, I'm going to put the word tired up here or sleepy. How are you feeling today? All right, it's a new month, and it's May the 4th be with you. So I know it's Sean's favorite day today because it's Star Wars Day. Let's say our months together: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this month is May. Absolutely right. We said that today is May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. So let's find the number 4. You got it. It's right here. May the 4th. All right. And what year is it? 2020. Absolutely right. All right. Today is Monday. It's the beginning of the week. And we know that Monday starts with the letter M. So we're going to put Monday here. If today is Monday, what was yesterday? Sunday. Absolutely right. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. What will tomorrow be? Monday, Tuesday. All right. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, and I just checked my weather app on my phone, and it says that on May the 4th, it is going to be partly sunny. That means a little bit of cloud and a little bit of sun. Partly sunny. Hopefully it's going to be warm out. The temperature said that it was going to be warm, so we're going to look at our thermometers, and we're going to check to see which one says warm. Cold, cool, warm, hot. So we're going to choose the one that says warm. The temperature today is warm. Good job, guys. All right, this season, it's getting closer and closer to summer, but it is still spring. Good job, guys. Spring, and when we go outside and in the mornings, we hear those birds chirping, seeing a lot more geese outside. Watch out for the geese. And we're seeing a lot more leaves on the trees, right, Justice? Yeah. So, it's warm outside. What kind of clothes are we going to wear when it's warm out? What kind of clothes do we wear? Well, we might wear shorts when it's warm outside. Might wear a t-shirt. And I'm going to wear my flip-flops. And when it's partly sunny, you might also wear a hat. The clothes I can wear today are a hat, shorts, a t-shirt, and some flip-flops. Today, I'm wearing a red shirt, black pants. I'm not wearing any socks because I'm wearing my flip-flops. And I'm going to wear a black hat. What are you guys wearing today? And today is May the 4th, and we have been in school 152 days. Go ahead and read that number with me. 152 days. We only have 8 more days of school left before we are done for the year. Only 8. All right. So we said today is May the 4th, so we need to make 4 cents and change. So let's talk about our coins. A penny is worth 1 cent. Good job. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Excellent work. A dime is worth 10 cents. Great job. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. Great job. So to make 4 cents, we're going to use 4 pennies. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. 4 pennies equals 4 cents for May the 4th. And then the last thing we have to do is make change for the days of school. We have been in school 152 days. That means $1.52. And we know that how many quarters make $1? You're right, 4 quarters. So we're going to drag up 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. Now we're going to do a little bit of a challenge. We're going to make 50 cents with dimes. So we're going to count by tens to get to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we need to get 2 cents. So what coin are we going to use to make 2 cents? You're right, we're going to use that penny. 1, 2. So let's count. 25, 50, 75, $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. $1.52. You guys have a great day. Watch some Star Wars. Get out your lightsabers, but be safe. Have a great day, and may the 4th be with you.